All right, fellas, here she is. You see, dropped my trigger in today. The anti-rollback, whatever they call, roll pins or whatever they call. Drop those ambidextrous safety, trigger guard on, mag release. This is just on that for static purposes to put it together. Been messing around a little bit this morning and most of the day just messing around. Geissele Super Duty, building a 16-inch rifle because of the pistol brace rule and all that. Don't want to get caught up in no mess. But here's a picture of my other rifle also. 13.9 pin and weld. Dead Air Sandman flash hider. I'm not sure what other parts I'm gonna use. BCM, or I want a Roscoe barrel. I like those barrels. But that's it. Thanks for joining me. Like and subscribe. Help me build my Dog City channel up. I need all the help I can get. Appreciate you guys. Peace and love.